In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a really easy green juice that is a great base liquid for smoothies. Hey guys, my name is Erin Courtney, and one of my favorite ways to get my servings of fruits and vegetables into my diet every day is by juicing and smoothies. It's actually a lot easier than you would think it would be, so I'm going to show you how to get this started. First of all, what's the difference between a juice and a smoothie? Well, a juice has a lot of ingredients, lots of vegetables, lots of fruits. Then you're getting all of the nutrients and minerals and phytochemicals and all of the goodness that you need without the fiber. The fiber is removed in the process. In a smoothie, you don't get as many ingredients whenever you're making your smoothie, but you get all the fiber from it. Now with the juice, I love to use a green juice as a base for my smoothie because talk about a powerful punch with all kinds of nutrients and all the good stuff that we need. Why do we need it? Did you know that the average person for optimal health should get about 8 to 10 servings of fruits and vegetables per day? In our busy lives, who has time to sit down and eat 12 salads in a day? Not me. So this is one of the best ways that I like to get all these servings in, by juicing. And with juices, you can drink them by themselves or add them to smoothies like I do to really pack a powerful punch. Some of the benefits of juicing: they can reduce your risk of cancer. It boosts the immune system. You get increased vitamins and minerals in the diet. It aids in detoxification, getting all that bad gunk out of your system. It increases energy, and who doesn't want more energy, especially with our busy lifestyles today? Decreases inflammation. Isn't that nice? And it protects against disease. If you've never juiced before, you can always get a beginner's guide to juicing. I'll post some links to that down below. Or you can watch YouTube videos on how to juice. And if you plan on drinking juices by themselves, you can make them sweeter by adding fruits to them. But today, this is all about the greens since I save my fruit for smoothies. So let's get this going. Here I have a very basic juicer. It doesn't even come with the little catcher here. I'm having to improvise by using my measuring glass. This was about $65 on Amazon, so I'll post a link to this particular juicer down below. As you can see, I have put a plastic bag right here to catch the pulp. This helps with cleanup. It is a very big help. And it's really loud. I'll be honest, it's loud. So what I'm juicing today is 1 organic cucumber, 1 bunch of organic celery, and 1 bunch of organic parsley. Why organic? Because you're also going to be juicing all of those pesticides and chemicals that are used on commercial vegetables and fruits. And so since we want to get all the nutrients out, that's why you go with organic whenever it comes with juicing, if you can. This is really loud, so I'm gonna get it going. Now that my juice is done, I'm going to pour this between 2 little 12-ounce jars here. Since I make these for my smoothies, this makes enough for 2 batches. Okay, now I have my 2 little bottles of juice ready to go for my smoothies. I'm gonna pop these in the refrigerator, and they're good for about 48 hours. You don't wanna refrigerate it for too long because then you're gonna lose a lot of those nutrients that we talked about that were so important. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to use this green juice in my favorite fiber-rich smoothie. See you next time.